Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to another math lesson. Please bring your lesson 5, topic 1 sheets, and let's get ready. Page number 19. All right. In the previous lesson, you have learned about finding the parts of a whole, and we did find out parts of a whole like number 6, number 7, 8, and 9. Today, you will learn how to write an addition number, how to use sentence to show the parts of a whole. So, for example, if I have 3 markers in one side and 4 markers in the other side. So I have 4 in one part and 3 at the other part. If I want to write this, I'll be using new vocabulary. I'll be using total plus, I'm going to add addition sentence and equal. Don't worry, I'm going to write them down for you here. And we're going to see them. You don't need to know how to write them, it just introduce you. So plus, when I say 2 plus 3, this is the sign I'll be using. All right? When I say add, means your total number or in all will be more. When I say the word sum, it means what do I have? What in all, when I add these two numbers, what's my total at the end here? And I will be using also equals. So these are the signs I'll be using them today. So plus, I'm going to add the sum and equal. So this is your new word. Okay, let's go to our example. I have 3 in one part, and I have 4 crayons in the other part. 3 and 4. All right. So first part, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to write 4. And 1, 2, 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What did I do? I add them together. I add them together and I count them all. And I get my total number or the sum. So I'm going to write 7. All right. Let's put my hands here and get some more. Without seeing how much I have, I'm just going to get some like that. And I'm going to put the red counters on one side and the yellow counters on the other side. So I'm going to put red over here. Okay, you can do whatever you like. You can use crayons, you can use buttons, you can use counters, anything you have. All right. Let's count how many red counters I have in the first part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And how many in the other part? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I have to add them together. I know I have 7 here, right? I just put 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 7 and 5 give me total in all 12. All right, let's use something different. I'm just giving you ideas so you can use anything you have. I'm going to use my erasers and I'm going to use different colors today. I'm going to have purple and green. Using all the purple I have. And all the greens that I have. I want big numbers because you know what? Doesn't matter now. I know what to do. So I'm gonna place my purple eraser in one side of my pattern, and then I'm gonna arrange my other eraser, the other color, on the other side. Let them all, make them nice and neat. Okay, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna count the first part, how many I have purple. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many green I have on the other side, the other part? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we need to do something different. Okay. Make it 8, so we have different answer. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is my problem. I have in one part 5, and I have in the other part 8. I need to know how many in all. So I'm gonna count. I know I have 5 here. After 5 comes 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So in all, or total, 13. So this is like a sentence. I don't have any of the signs I learned. Remember? The plus sign or the equals, the sum. I didn't use any of this. Let's turn the page and see what we have. All right. So this is how it's going to work. Let's read our example first. Kenny picked 4 red cubes. Then he picked 2 blues. So you can describe the parts as 4 and 2. Remember? Like 3 and 6, part of 9, 4 and 4, part of 8, 2 and 4, part of 6. That's what we covered before. So parts as 4 and write 4 plus 2. So this is when we gonna do our math using the plus sign. You can add to find the sum. The sum is the total, the in all. So in order to know how many I have to add them all together. You can write an addition sentence, and this is your addition sentence. 4 plus 2 equals, when I see this sign, plus means you're adding. And this is your in whole, or the answer, or the sum, or the total. Okay, let's draw something here. So I'm gonna have a box. I'm gonna place and then I place in the other part. So how many I have in the first part? I don't know what number it is, so I'm gonna count them and then put them down. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna put 4, and then I'm gonna use my sign, plus sign, and I'm gonna count the other part, 3. I'm gonna use my equal sign, and now I have a math equation or a math sentence. So let's count it all together. 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is your sum. And when I see this sign, I know that I have to add them. It's plus. And this is equal. Always come before your total or in all or the sum. All right. Let's do the guided practice together. Use the picture, write the parts, then write an addition sentence. So you have your drawing, your picture. You have one part has 1, 2, 3. Other part has 5. So I'm gonna count, make sure I have the right number, 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna write 3 using my plus sign. Count the second part, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. And then repeat it again, write 3 plus 5 equals, what do you have? Total, what's your sum? 8. All right, let's do number 2. How many do you have in your first part? 1. So you're gonna put 1. And how many you have in the second part? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6 counter in the second part. 6. What I'm gonna do? I'm gonna write it again. 1 plus 6 equals, what's my total? Add them together. You got it, 7. All right, do you understand? What can you do to find how many there are in all? What do we do? If I have one part 3 and one part 5, what do we do to get the total or get the sum? Very good. Add. To find the total or to find the sum, you need to add. So I will write add to find the sum. This is, we call it the sum. All right. All right, let's go. Page 21. That will be your turn, but I'm gonna go through with you. Independent practice. The word bank, add, plus, this is the sign called plus, sum, equals, and that's your addition sentence. When you write it this way, that means this is your addition sentence. So first part you have, how many counters? You're gonna put it here. And then the second part, how many counters? You're gonna write it down here. Then you're gonna copy them again, the same. Then you're gonna add equal, or it's already written for you, and then you give me the sum or the total. Add them together to find the total or in all. All right, same for number 4. You count the first part and you put how many counters. The second part, and you put them here, how many counters. Again, you need to do now your addition sentence. So you're gonna write them back again, down, equal, and then you give me the total or the sum. Okay, algebra. Write the missing part. Okay. How to find the missing part? I'll use my paper to explain to you. One plus something equals 6. So this is my sum, this is my total, and this is one part. I have a missing part. So I will say, for example, I will draw it like that. And I'm gonna put 1 dot here. Okay, let me see if I can use. Okay. Then total, I'll put here 6. Let me use the same one here. 6. So this is in all, I have 6. And here, this is my 1. This is the missing part. All right. To get this missing part, let's do the very simple way. We're gonna draw and count till I reach number 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many I need? 6. Remember, I had one part. I have the in all, or the sum, or the total. And this one was missing. So I put my first spot, the part I know. Then I count after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's count how many did I draw here. 1 spot, 2 spot, 3 spot, 4 spots, 5 spots. So that's mean 1 plus 5 equals 6. So your missing number or missing part is 5. So back to your sheet. 1 plus, and you can draw it here small also, doesn't matter. You can do the same thing, draw a box. Draw 1 here, because this is the first part you have, the total up there, and then count to get your missing number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and your answer is 5. So the missing part is 5. Okay? Let's see the last page, page 22. All right, solve the problems below. Jane found 2 orange leaves, then she found 5 yellow leaves. How many leaves did Jane find in all? Draw a picture to show the story. Write an addition sentence. That means you have to write these numbers over here. So first, she found 2 orange leaves. You're gonna draw 2 orange leaves. We're gonna color these orange. Oops. And then she found 2 yellow. Okay, I'm sorry, 5 yellows. So 3, 4, 5. So 5 yellow. I have my yellow color. Color them yellow. Okay. So I did the first part. Now I need to write an addition sentence and find the total. So 2 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I need to find my sum or the total. So count them all and put your answer here. All right. Tim drew 4 green apples. Then he drew 3 red apples. 4 green, 3 red. Which addition sentence show how many apples Tim drew? So I need to see 4 plus 3 because he drew 4 green and 3 red. So 4 green and 3 red. My addition sentence will be 4 plus 3. I should find 4 plus 3 and then circle it. Over here, draw a number story about red worms and brown worms. Write an addition sentence to tell how many worms there are in all. So you're doing whatever you like numbers. So you can draw whatever you want. Red, probably 4 red, 3 browns, whatever. You just, any of your choice numbers, you draw it here, use crayons, and then the number you drew over here, you need to put it in addition sentence. So you're gonna put how many did you put in red plus how many did you draw in brown, then count them all to give me the sum. All right. So today we learned and used the sign plus, the equal sign. We know the addition sentence, and we know the sum. And I know if I need to get the total or the sum or to know how many I have in all, I need to add. And that's the symbol for adding. All right. That's it for today, first graders. I'll leave you with the rest of the activity to finish and to have fun. Bye-bye.